Hello everyone, the Force One UFO 4000 mini drone is a small remote control quadcopter designed for kids and beginners. It features LED lights, a 4-channel remote control, and 2 speeds. It also comes with 2 drone batteries for extended flight time. It is considered a good beginner drone for kids or anyone who wants to learn how to fly a drone. In addition to its features, the Force One UFO 4000 mini drone is lightweight and durable, making it easy to handle and less likely to break if it crashes. Its small size also makes it easy to fly indoors, providing a fun and safe way for kids and beginners to learn how to fly a drone. The LED lights on the drone add an extra element of fun and make it easy to spot the drone in low light conditions. The 4-channel remote control allows for full control of the drone, including the ability to move in any direction. The 2 speed options provide flexibility for pilots of different skill levels. With 2 drone batteries included, users can enjoy extended flight time without the need to constantly charge the batteries. Flybar, my first foam pogo jumper for kids, fun and safe pogo stick for toddlers. The Flybar, my first foam pogo jumper is a foam pogo stick designed specifically for young children. It is made of durable foam and has a non-slip foot pad and handlebars to provide a safe and fun jumping experience for kids. The foam construction makes it lightweight and easy to handle, which is ideal for younger children who may not have the strength to use a traditional metal and rubber pogo stick. The pogo stick is also designed with a unique bouncing motion that helps young children develop coordination and balance. It is intended for kids ages 3 and up, and supports up to 250 pounds. In addition to its safety features, the Flybar, my first foam pogo jumper, is also designed to be easy to use for kids. It requires no pumping or assembly, and can be used right out of the box. The soft foam material also makes it more forgiving if children accidentally fall off the pogo stick. It can be used both indoor and outdoor, making it a versatile toy that can be enjoyed year-round. It encourages kids to be active, and it is a great way to improve their gross motor skills and balance. The My First Foam Pogo Jumper is also a great toy for promoting healthy habits and encouraging kids to be active, which can help combat obesity and other health issues. It's a classic toy that will keep kids entertained for hours on end, and also provides a fun and safe way for kids to develop important physical skills. The Klutz Lego Gearbots Science STEM Activity Kit is a building and learning kit that allows kids to build their own gear-powered robots using Lego bricks. The kit includes a full-color instruction book, as well as all the necessary Lego pieces to build 10 different gear-powered robots, including a walking robot, a spinning top, and a gear car. The instruction book includes step-by-step instructions, as well as information on gear ratios and how gears work. The kit also includes information about different types of simple machines, such as levers and pulleys, and how they are used in everyday life. The Klutz Lego Gearbots Science STEM Activity Kit is designed to encourage kids to learn about science, technology, engineering, and mathematics STEM concepts in a fun and engaging way. By building and experimenting with the gear-powered robots, kids can learn about how gears work, how they can be used to create movement, and how different gear ratios can affect the speed and torque of a robot. The kit is designed for children aged 8 and up, and would be a great way to develop creativity, problem solving, and fine motor skills. Klutz Lego Gearbots Science STEM Activity Kit. In addition to its educational benefits, the Klutz Lego Gearbots Science STEM Activity Kit is also a great way to encourage creativity and imaginative play. The kit comes with a wide variety of Lego pieces, which kids can use to create their own unique gear-powered robots. The instruction book includes ideas for different robots that kids can build, but it also encourages kids to come up with their own designs. The kit also allows for endless possibilities for customization. Kids can add their own Lego bricks and pieces to their robots to make them their own. The Klutz Lego Gearbots Science STEM Activity Kit is also a great way to encourage teamwork and collaboration. The kit includes enough pieces for multiple kids to work on building robots together, and the step-by-step instructions make it easy for kids of different skill levels to work together. Additionally, the instruction book includes ideas for different challenges and competitions that kids can do with their robots, such as races, obstacle courses, and more. Overall, the Klutz Lego Gearbots Science STEM Activity Kit is an excellent choice for children interested in STEM, robotics, and building. It provides endless hours of fun and learning, while encouraging creativity and teamwork. Thanks for watching. If you need more information for these products, if you want to purchase, check out the description. If you like the video, then like, comment and subscribe.